crazy and evil. That's what Bill Gates thinks about the volume of conspiracy theories about him spreading on social media during the coronavirus pandemic.
Kono whakaikai Bill Gates, ko e billionaire o e kautaha whakomputa Microsoft. Ahona tukuaki'i Kōviti mohala ia o pehē na ne whao e vailasi. Tau mahaki whakaauha ko ni Kōviti. Pea akuna wakawakau ai pea mo Anthony Fauci ko tarekita a National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases America.
Nobody would have predicted that I and Dr. Fauci would be so prominent in, really kind of evil theories about, did we create the pandemic? Are we trying to profit from it? And on and on. And so, I'm very surprised by that. I hope it goes away.
Tokua ke mauhana whainga maria whakapaanga me ai, pea mo ngā hituaki ke hekehe pe. Pehē Bill Gates, o kui kai mo oni eni, pea o kune Fakatumutumu he whao loi ko eni, ai whahinga kakai ko eni o kui ko e kau, whao whakapuripuri kovi, pe ko e kau teori conspiracy. O whakamafola i he media whakasosiale, he rotonga e tau mahak tāmate whakamamanilahi ko eni coronavirus.
Do people really believe that stuff? We're going to have to get educated about this over the next year and understand, how does it change people's behavior? How should we have minimized this, either, working with the social media companies or explaining what we were up to in a better way?
Pehē Bill Gates, o kukau e tukuaki'i ko eni he kovi, pea whakawareware ko whaiang kia te ia. Ia whakaeke mo e ngongo whakamamanilahi e kautaha I loa ke Reuters, le Pehē Gates, ko wakawakaua e kau teorisi conspiracy, pea mo I media whakasosiale hona tufaki e loi ko eni, pea na e kai tene e manaki e au e toonga tae mo oni ko eni ki hatunga pehē.
The benefit to society, everyone or a high percentage of people participating, should be very clear, although all the crazy conspiracy theories may cut into that.
Nene fu o vale au pito, I he ngongo whakalolo mani. Ko fuaki foki e Gates, hapaanga laka hake I he taha poinfitu nima piliona, ke tokoni ki he whainga whakakolope ko eni ke tau I e Kōviti. O kune mo taa fuua I he whau haloi pehē, tokua o kuna whainga pea mo Fauci ke purei ai kakai, aki hanongawe aki e vaccini, ke whakahua I tokua ha maikolosipi. Ke lava ke mui aki ai kakai. Ko iai ko tukupaa a Gates ke whai ha mea, ke a koi ai kakai I he tau kahau, ke nau māmange, pea lava ke ririu e nau toonga whakaukau hala ko e ni.